ngikhulume ngesintu lento ukukhulisa umzi okanye ukuphuma umzi. Ndikhulela kulomzi ekhaya. My mother and my father's house. This is where I grow up. Ndikhulile ke ngoku ndithatha umfazi. Xa ndisandisa umzi wasekhaya, I leave my father's home. Either uzondisikela kwalapha kulo mhlaba wakuthi. This is how izigodi communities were created. Uzwe bathi lapha kukwaRhadebe, lapha kukwakekana, lapha kukwamamabulo, lapha kukwazungu. And everybody in that village is related. Ngoba a son waphuma kibo wayokwakha umzi. And then that house grew to another one, and that's another son and another son. Kwaphetha sekuwabantu bakwaZungu bonke laba. They all share a common ancestor. Naku ukukhulisa umzi is not to extend indlu emileyo. We must not confuse things. Hayi, ngikhulisa umuzi kababa ngoku extend back room madolo wakho. You are extending a house. Awukhulisanga umuzi kababakho. You are still in the same house. Asingasebenzisa ama-principle wesintu so confuse. Because now you are going to have 11 rooms. Okay, here is a father, mother with 11 children. All of these 11 children, mabakhula, bazokwakha ama-room wabo in the same yard. And then they are going to have children and extend with the same child. Come on. You are not obligated to fix your father's failures. Akunankulunkulu ozokujaja for ukungalungisa amaphutha enziwe ubabakho mayengafuna ukulobola umamakho. Kumele wenzeni wena? If ubabakho does not want to do the right thing, many people have asked, so what if ubabake akafuna ukwenza into right? Fuck him. Usho mina. Take that to the bank. And I'm saying this to all these children who feel guilty ngokunakekela omama babo because obaba are deadbeat failures. Ubaba ubhizi la uhlele emzini man. Kunobaba abahlele emizini yama girlfriend. Ubaba uhleli kabo girlfriend. Uzala abantwana kabo girlfriend. Mele kusithi baba thina kuye. Hayi baba uZungu. Baba uZungu kuphi? Baba uZungu ohleli kwaMkhize. Baba uZungu ohleli kwaMkhize. Abafana balaba kwaMkhize mabangafika, the boys of this family, when they come back home, they can kick you out. You have no say la kulo muzi wena. Ngapho uzala abantwana bakho la ekhaya beyikolodo. Because every single child of yours in that household is a debt. Is an ancestral debt. Is a spiritual debt. Is a moral debt. Yonke lengano izala icala. Ngoba wena self uphile ecaleni. You call yourself a man. Hlala emzini wakabomfazi. Kathini usibari makoti. If your parents don't want to do the right thing, it is not your ritual obligation